No shell. It's Wednesday evening, y'all. We just got back from church a little while ago. We're making some coffee, making some bacon and eggs, and having leftover sausage. I'm making the bacon. Sissy wants some bacon, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this whole pack because in the morning I'm gonna do some little bacon, egg, and cheese muffins. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook all the bacon tonight. That way in the morning I can just put that together and bake them and they'll be ready. So some of us wanted breakfast. Tyler went to town to get him something. He needed to go do something. I forgot what he said. So he said he'd just grab him something on his way home. They've been eating those salads that I made earlier today. They ate those, well, we still have some left, but they ate some of those this afternoon. Jonah's eating one now. Everybody's always hungry after church on Wednesday nights. I really like cooking the bacon in the oven, y'all, but the kids feel that it's different when it's cooked in the oven. I like it that way, but they don't like it that way. They like it pan fried, so that's what we're doing. We had to get some mic stands and all. We're playing at homecoming at church this Sunday, so I had to move all this stuff over here. We had to get some mic stands and drumsticks and all for Tyler. He got a new set of drums. What else we got in here? Some strings for the bass, some cords.
Bacon, I don't know why, but bacon, smell that stuff, hear it. Just hear it cooking, it's just a great thing.
Here's your eggs, Manny. Y'all know what I should have done last night is went ahead and chopped this bacon up too. Didn't have to do this part this morning either. I didn't think about it. Alright, so let me grab my muffin tin. I'm going to start by just getting these 6 in the middle sprayed with some cooking spray because I'm not exactly sure how many this is going to make. So if we need to do some more, we will. I just don't want to put the oil in here and then end up not needing it. So we're just going to do the 6 first. And we'll see how many of these we get. Because I want them to be pretty big. I don't want them to be little. But you can do mini ones in mini muffin cups. I want them to be kind of bigger ones. We're going to put 8 eggs in here. Now I have, let's see, this is probably, I'll see when I pour it out here. 1, 2, 3, that's probably about 4 or 5 eggs. Y'all know we make the ice creams that use egg yolks. So we always have egg whites left over, and this has some yolks in it too because Sissy wants to help separate sometimes. And sometimes the yolk gets in there, that's fine. So that's about 4 eggs, we'll add 4 more. Or, you know what, we're gonna add 3 more because that's how many more I have washed up in here. So we won't have to wash any, we'll just do 3 more. Because that could have been closer to 5 in that bowl anyway. Okay, we'll whisk the eggs. I'll just set this over here for now. Okay, we're gonna put 1/3 cup of milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it. There we go. And let me grab the salt and pepper. Mix that all together. Now we're just gonna add in the bacon, and I'm gonna chop this red and green pepper, and we'll put some cheese in here. You can pick the cheese, Tyler. I got a bunch of shredded cheeses in there. Pick what kind you want in here. I got pepper jack, Colby jack, or it might have been Monterey jack. Cheddar. I'm gonna put the bacon in here, but I'm gonna save a few pieces that I can put on the top at the end. That way there'll be some bacon pieces on the top. Tyler picked Fiesta blend. I'm not surprised. They love like burrito style breakfast things. We'll put a little cheese on the top of it then too. Now let me chop my peppers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a few green onions. Let me go ahead and put those. I'll go ahead and toss those in. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a few pepper rings. That way we can put a pepper ring on the top of each one. These red ones are the sweet peppers. Now these are not, but they're already de-seeded and all that kind of stuff, and they're not hot at all. We'll do 3 with a red pepper on it and 3 with the green. With the rest of this we'll chop up and add into the mixture. Okay, stir all that together. I'm gonna use my half cup measuring cup and I'll just kind of stir it each time. Make sure we get a little bit of everything in each one. Put a little bit of oil right there because we got at least 1 more, maybe 2 more in here. Oh yeah, we've got 2 more. Now we'll just put a little bacon on the top of each one, a little more cheese. And I've got the oven preheating to 375. I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. These are gonna bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. We'll just put our peppers right on top. And you know what? I need a couple more since we got 2 more. Wow, spilled my coffee. It's okay, we'll just have the peppers on some of them. We'll put green onions on these too. Okay, going in. How come you didn't pick one with a pepper on top?
I don't know. That's really good.
Good morning, everybody. Baby chick coming in. There's one. I got a black one. First the black ones. Oh, that was the one that was kissing me. See y'all tomorrow.